What if the most powerful video tool in the world isn't OpenAI's Sora, but something even more advanced and far more dangerous? Meet Google VEO 3, an AI model that can generate stunningly realistic cinematic videos with nothing but a few lines of text. It's fast, powerful, and shockingly lifelike. But behind the beauty lies a much darker possibility. Because this isn't just about making movies. It's about creating fake realities that feel completely real, with no way to tell the difference. In this video, we'll explore why Google VEO 3 might be the most dangerous AI tool yet, how it compares to Sora, and what's really at stake if this technology gets out of control. Imagine typing a few lines of text and getting a Hollywood-quality video in return. That's what Google VEO 3 promises. VEO 3 is Google's latest AI video generation model, and it's not just an upgrade, it's a leap forward. It can create high-definition videos, complete with realistic lighting, smooth motion, and even multi-camera understanding. That means it can simulate different camera angles, perspectives, and transitions, just like a real director would. But VEO doesn't stop at basic prompts. It responds to complex instructions, including camera movements like dolly-ins, pans, and zooms. You can tell it to shoot a scene from a low angle at sunset, and it will deliver exactly that. Its intended audience are filmmakers, advertisers, content creators, and even educators looking to produce stunning visuals in a fraction of the time and cost. But with this power comes a new kind of responsibility. Because when you can generate any scene, real or fake, with near-perfect realism, the line between imagination and manipulation gets thinner than ever. OpenAI's Sora made headlines for a reason. It can generate entire scenes with coherent storylines, realistic physics, and impressively natural motion. It's built to maintain narrative flow, ideal for continuous scenes, emotional storytelling, and visual consistency. Sora feels like a smooth ride through a storybook brought to life. But Google VEO 3 takes a different path, and arguably a more powerful one. Its strength lies in cinematic control. You're not just telling it what to show, you're telling it how to show it. VEO also delivers higher frame rates and sharper resolution, making its output feel even more polished, almost indistinguishable from real footage in some cases. That might sound like a dream for content creators, but it's also where the danger begins. Because with that level of control, someone can now direct not just a video, but your emotions, crafting scenes that look and feel so real you'd never question them. And that's exactly where things get scary. At first glance, Google VEO 3 feels like a filmmaker's fantasy. But look closer, and you'll see why it could become a digital nightmare. This tool generates Deepfake-Level realism in full 1080p. We're not talking about clunky animations or obvious CGI. We're talking about footage that looks indistinguishable from real life. That's where the danger begins. With VEO's complete control over the camera, creators can manipulate not just what the viewer sees, but how they feel. Imagine using that power to fabricate political protests, celebrity scandals, or news events, all with no real footage involved. And here's the terrifying part. VEO 3 currently has no built-in watermarking or traceability. That means anyone can generate a video that looks real, and there's no easy way to prove it's not. You can now make a completely fake video, one that feels like a Hollywood movie, and no one will know the difference. And in an age of misinformation, that could be more dangerous than any weapon. For over a century, video has been our most trusted form of evidence. If it's on camera, it must be real, right? But with tools like VEO 3, that trust is now on the edge of collapse. As these AI-generated visuals become more common, we may soon enter a world where no video can be trusted at face value. Every clip, no matter how convincing, will raise doubts. Was it filmed or fabricated? VEO3 could be used for hyper-realistic propaganda, financial scams, or reputation-destroying fake videos. A false scene showing a politician accepting a bribe or a CEO making offensive remarks could go viral before anyone has a chance to verify it. We're not just talking about the future of technology, we're talking about the future of truth itself and whether or not we'll still recognize it when we see it. The rise of tools like VEO3 isn't just a tech milestone, it's a societal turning point. But the question is, can we still stop this from spiraling out of control? We're not powerless, but we need to act fast. First, there must be transparency tools built into every AI video generator. This means clear metadata, cryptographic fingerprints, or invisible watermarks that prove a video was AI generated. Without traceability, fake content becomes indistinguishable from reality. Second, we need regulation. Not to halt innovation, but to ensure it evolves responsibly. Governments, platforms, and developers must work together to create enforceable standards for AI-generated media, especially in news, politics, and finance. Finally, we must push for ethical innovation, not just faster models or flashier outputs. Tech should serve truth, not erode it. Because if we don't set the rules now, we may wake up in a world where the truth is no longer lost, it's been overwritten. If you found this video thought-provoking, hit the like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to know how AI could potentially start World War III, watch this next video. Truth is no longer a given. It's something we'll have to fight to protect.